Hello, 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 everybody. I'm so excited to be able to come and share with you the second folio that I have made. They really do take a little bit of time, thought, or it does for me. And so this has taken me more than 2 days to kind of get it to where I want it to be, but I absolutely love the colors. So I just love that this is fabric and it kind of looks like it's watercolor and it's wild flowers, and I just really love the colors. It's so, when I seen the fabric, I bought it immediately. I knew it. And so I got these little beads. They're semi-precious beads, and so the green ones are morganite, and they're so pretty. And then I got pink ones that look very similar, and so of course, the holes where you thread it on is so small. I tried to come up with a way to get it on this Sari silk, and so I've worked it out. But then here are the pink ones, and the pink ones are Sunstone, and they're pink, and these ones here have a shade of green to them, so it's just gorgeous. So there's the tie, and I may have to adjust this up to get it all in. Let's just see here. My screen is, there we go. Screen is a little black. Okay, let's get into it. So this is made out of, I wanted to have one on hand. Just a sec, let me grab it quick. Okay. So the basis of this, if you can believe it, is a file folder. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it wild? So this is kind of the template that I've been using. Actually, this is one that I'm going to be making again. And then you just add things onto it. So I've just reinforced the bends so they hold up a little bit better. But isn't that amazing? From a file folder to this, I think it's amazing. Anyway, such a great concept. Okay. Let's see. So here's the little journal part, and it is held on in the middle by this elastic string. And I love it. And I have stitched it together with, I believe how it's pronounced is sewn. And then I've put little charms on it, and I apologize about I'm getting a shadow now. I don't know where it's coming from. Let's see if I can block it. That's a little bit better. So these little seed beads on there, and the papers are coffee dyed and avocado dyed. And I just love the sayings. And then you open it up this side, and this is a recycled envelope. Oh yeah, I see that shadow again. Let's see. I'll do it sideways then. Maybe not. It's a little bit better maybe. So this is a recycled envelope, and in here is a cute little tag for notes. There, that's better. And some people put pockets in them. just love it. I just really love how it turned out. And then this flips down, opens up, and then you can put your photographs or some journaling cards I've made. And then in here is another little pocket. Then you can put photos or write on this. It's just pretty cool. I love it. I love them. And now it flips back up. Or down, I should say. And then the journal part gets flipped over. Then this opens up. And we have all these cute little pockets. And I just love this paper. This paper was awesome. But it was really, really thick cardstock. And so I really wanted to use it. So I had to scan the papers so I could use it, or it would be too thick and everything would have a hard time closing. So I just love these inspirational little quotes. Wildflowers. And then we have some cute tags. And then you can journal on the back of them. And then we have another recycled envelope and another tag in here. And you can add photographs on here. And then this little guy opens up as well. And it's a little pocket. And another little journaling card. She blooms wild and burns bright. I just love it. I love doing this one. Took me a while for it to get together, but it worked out. And then everything goes back in its spots. And then you have your, that page came out neat. Your little journal in there. And then it all folds back up. Just like that. And there you have it. I love it. Pretty neat. So this is already listed in my Etsy shop if anyone is interested. And you can find the link in my bio. And I hope that you like it. Hope you get inspiration from it. And have a great day. Bye.